Alright, let's talk about protein sources for a healthy life and how to fuel your body the right way. Protein is, honestly, one of the most essential macronutrients for the human body. It plays a vital role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. Without adequate protein, our bodies just can't grow, recover, or, function properly. Proteins are made up of amino acids, often called the building blocks of life. There are 20 amino acids, 9 of which are essential because the body cannot produce them on its own. These must be obtained from food sources in our daily diet. A balanced protein intake supports strong muscles, healthy skin, and optimal metabolism. It also helps regulate hunger by promoting satiety, making it an important nutrient for weight management. Choosing the right protein sources, honestly, ensures overall wellness and longevity. Animal-based proteins are considered complete because they contain all 9 essential amino acids. Common examples include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. These sources provide high-quality protein and are, easily absorbed by the body. Lean meats such as chicken breast, turkey, and lean cuts of beef are excellent sources of protein. They are rich in iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which are, honestly, crucial for energy production and immune health. Choosing lean cuts helps reduce saturated fat intake for better heart health. Fish and seafood offer protein along with heart-friendly omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are great examples that support brain function and help reduce inflammation. Eating fish twice a week can, in fact, significantly improve cardiovascular health. So, eggs are actually one of the most nutrient-dense protein sources available. Just a single egg gives you about 6 grams of protein, plus vitamins A, D, and B12. The yolk, by the way, contains important nutrients like choline, which supports brain health and metabolism. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, they're excellent protein sources, especially when it comes to bone health. They provide not only complete proteins, but also calcium, vitamin D, and potassium. And honestly, low-fat or Greek yogurt is particularly beneficial thanks to its higher protein content. Not everyone consumes animal products, and that's where plant-based proteins come in. Many plants actually provide significant protein, along with fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. With a bit of careful planning, a vegetarian or vegan diet can definitely meet all your protein needs. So, legumes like lentils, beans, and chickpeas are powerful plant-based protein sources. They're also rich in complex carbohydrates, iron, and folate, which honestly makes them just ideal for energy and endurance. Pairing them with grains can really enhance their amino acid profile, giving you more complete nutrition. Soy-based foods such as tofu, tempeh, and edamame are actually complete proteins and, super versatile in many cuisines. They're low in saturated fat and rich in minerals like calcium and magnesium. Regular soy consumption supports heart health and helps lower cholesterol levels, which is pretty impressive. Nuts and seeds are, compact powerhouses of protein and healthy fats. Almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds also offer fiber and antioxidants. Including a handful of nuts daily can boost your energy levels and support overall metabolic health. Whole grains like quinoa, buckwheat, and amaranth contain more protein than most grains. Quinoa is unique because it's a complete plant protein containing all essential amino acids. These grains also provide fiber and minerals that aid digestion and balance blood sugar. Vegetables can also contribute to daily protein intake, especially when eaten in larger portions. Spinach, broccoli, peas, and kale offer small but meaningful amounts of protein along with vital micronutrients. Combined with other sources, they help round out a healthy diet. Protein needs vary based on age, activity level, and health goals. The general recommendation is 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight for the average adult. Athletes, pregnant women, and elderly individuals may require higher amounts for optimal function. So, timing of protein intake also matters. Consuming protein throughout the day helps maintain muscle synthesis and, energy balance. Including a source of protein at every meal, like eggs for breakfast, fish for lunch, and beans for dinner, really supports steady performance. Excessive protein intake, however, may strain the kidneys if maintained long-term without sufficient hydration. Balance is key. Too little protein causes weakness, but too much can lead to other complications. Moderation and variety are the healthiest approach. Protein quality depends not just on the amount, but also on the amino acid composition and digestibility. Animal proteins generally score higher on biological value, but combining different plant proteins can achieve the same effect. This synergy ensures complete amino acid coverage in vegetarian diets. Protein isn't just for building muscle, it's vital for enzymes, hormones, and immune molecules. It helps repair tissues after illness or injury and keeps hair, skin, and nails strong. In short, protein supports every cell in the human body. To live a healthy life, focus on diverse, high-quality protein sources. Combine animal and plant proteins for the best balance of nutrients, fiber, and essential amino acids. Remember, a protein-rich diet fuels your strength, vitality, and the foundation of lifelong wellness.